Ladies and gentlemen,
welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. Next on Live on Cue. Meet Charles, Paul, John, JC, our UDST and Qatar University athlete scholars and our Pinoy basketball prodigies in Qatar. Saturday, April 19, 7 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Montasa, Doha. Only here on QCast. Good evening, one and all. Welcome to Live on QCast, episode 35?
Ata, oo.
I lost track.
Basta 30 plus.
Okay, and this is a special episode here at Boss Gio Pares in Doha, Qatar. It's now 14 after 8 o'clock in nighttime. A little bit of overtime for tonight because we have to make some adjustments since we have to check the availability of our special guests for this evening. You know what makes this so special?
What?
Because earlier today we had kids, and right now we have people in their 20s. So we feel like we're young at
kids
heart.
pa din.
Yeah, kids pa din to. Okay, without further ado, let me give you, of course, Paul, John, JC, and Charles from UDS and Qatar University. They're the athlete scholars of our Pinoy basketball prodigies here in Doha, Qatar. Let's give them a round of applause. Yes! And we got some visitors here at Boss Gio Pares. Okay. Young, good-looking, I would say young guns of Doha, Qatar in the field of basketball. Kumusta naman kayo? Introduce yourselves muna. Sige, let's start from the gentleman on the left. Yes, go ahead.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Charles. 21 years old.
Yeah, 21.
And I study in Qatar University.
Yes, okay. And then next to you?
My name is Paul Acabado.
Yes.
I'm also 21 years old.
Okay.
I study in UDST.
UDST. And next?
I'm John Pablo and I'm 23 years old,
Okay.
same as Paul.
All right. Same school. And?
Yeah, same school.
I'm JC Cruz,
Yeah, you see Cruz.
20
diba?
years old from Qatar University.
Ay, ganyan na ganyan yung boses ko dati nung nagbibinita na ako.
Ano nangyari ngayon?
Palalim ng palalim. Baby, kumain ka na ba? Alala ko yung kabataan ko. Okay. Well, it's nice to have you guys finally here on QCast. Kumusta ang buhay-buhay natin? How's everything so far? I heard there's an ongoing competition right now, right? Involving the two universities. So can you anybody tell us more about it muna? Sige. Who can share a story about it?
Charles.
Sige. Sige, tapusin na natin. Yung salita.
Nagtutuan na sila.
Apo,
yeah.
ngayon po, the competition is ongoing.
Yes.
And we have, our teams were able to get through the group stage.
Both teams.
Yeah, both teams.
Wow,
teams.
awesome.
And now we have the semifinals on Monday, and
Okay.
hopefully our team makes it to the finals on Tuesday.
I see. So Monday, that's gonna be 2 days from now,
Yeah,
correct?
yes.
And where is this being held?
UDST.
UDST. I see. And both your teams will be competing.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Okay. Hopefully. So you have to go through elimination by
Yeah.
then. I see. Okay. So this is something new because as far as I know, not all Filipinos in Qatar would have an idea that we have this scholarship program being offered
Yeah.
to potential talents ng mga Pilipino. Okay. I was approached by your dad, by the way. So good evening to you. Thank you so much for bringing this up because I wanted also to highlight the idea that kids here can also go to universities for free. Tama? If you are under a scholarship program, right? If so, in your case, you are players of basketball, and of course, there are other sports as well here, which is volleyball. Ano pa ba? Football.
Football, yeah.
Right?
Badminton siguro.
Yes.
Badminton, yeah.
Badminton as well. So my first question: How did you got into the program? Paano kayo napunta doon? Sige, anybody can answer.
QU muna, QU.
Yes.
First po, of course, the application.
Application,
Actually, sa
okay.
QU po kasi madaming steps po before ka ma-admit.
Okay.
So, first po yung website application.
I see.
Then, pag na-review po yun, mag-i-email sila with interview. Then, pag pumasa po ng interview, may fitness test po.
I see. So
Bago
there's a
pumasok-
series of evaluation.
Opo. So,
Okay.
kailangan po ibasa yung certain steps until po, yun po, yung final admission offer.
I see. Okay.
Pero
And
dapat
all
ba
the-
meron kang mini-maintain na grade?
Meron
Yeah.
po.
I see.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5, yeah.
Yung
Ano
upon
yun?
registering.
Pasang awa ba yun?
Oo, parang ganun.
Hindi naman.
Kung mataas pa din ang 2.5.
2.5 ako.
Hindi,
Ano po?
3. Alam ko
Average,
3 yung
average.
3. Oh, yun.
4 po kasi yung highest
4 po yung
namin.
highest. Baliktad po.
I see.
Baliktad.
Okay.
Kumbaga,
Thank-
1 lowest po namin.
I see. Back in our days, okay?
Baliktad.
Baliktad
One
lang.
would have the highest
Yes.
score. Okay. Alright. So, deceiving na pala yung scores ngayon, ah. Kasi madalas ako makakuha ng trust dot.
Yun, tali.
Kung sa ngayon.
Sa ngayon,
Sa
no.
ngayon. Pero nung time namin, hindi.
Okay. Alright. So all of you have to go through the process. Same din sa UDST.
Oo,
Actually,
Ganun din
sa
ba?
UDST po kasi
Aha.
ito po yung first year po namin magkaroon ng full scholarship program sa
I
mga
see.
admins.
Wow.
Kumbaga, 2 years na po kaming...
Nag-request.
Opo. Kumbaga, ako po kasi third year pa lang po ako ngayon. Tapos, nung first year and second year ko po, wala pa po kami ganitong program. And talagang ni-request pa po namin sila na gumawa po sila ng ganitong program para po
I-consider man lang.
At saka para po ma-motivate din po kaming mga players
I see.
na seryosohin po namin yung ginagawa
Kasi
po namin.
yung QU meron.
Yeah.
Why not,
And
diba?
ayun nga po, tsaka nung time po kasi na yun, parang ang dami na po naming na-achieve representing the school and
see.
we don't get anything in return. And ngayon po namin nakuha yun, kaya masaya po kami na.
That's a good job. I mean, when we talk about universities in Qatar, I would say this is one of the heftier, expensive schools. Diba? Well, to be honest about it, hindi siya ganun kasimple. So, having gone through the scholarship, I mean, part of it, may menos na yung gastos ngayon ng parents
Opo.
niyo.
Sobra po.
It's
sobra.
something na talagang blessing din, di ba?
Sobra.
Okay. Pero at the same time, there's a pressure for you guys kasi you have to maintain a grade at the same time.
Oo, dalawa yung kailangan
Yes.
yung i-pursue, diba?
Yes.
Both athletics and yung academics ninyo.
Okay.
So that's, in that said, ano ba yung, paano nyo ba nababalance yung academics ninyo tsaka yung, yung sports?
Good question. Yes.
Lalo na
Oo.
sa, di ba may mga season na sobrang dami yung
Sobrang-
activities and training. Paano nyo nababalance yun?
Ako po, like, ever since high school pa lang po, I was like a student athlete na.
I see.
So, yeah, I was representing my high school.
Dito? Or-
Apo, dito
I
rin.
see. Okay.
Sa Dukhan po, Dukhan English School.
I see. Okay.
So, even then, like, nasanay na rin po ako to balance my schools and my yung academics ko po pati basketball. So yung mga experience ko po before, like na take ko po yun until college, until now.
I see.
So yun, nababalance ko naman po ng maayos.
Good na maintain mo siya all throughout
Apo,
those
yun nga
years.
po.
No? Matanong ko lang, ano yung mga courses ninyo na pinipursue?
Ako po, finance major po.
Finance.
Ako po, mechanical engineering.
Mechanical.
Wow, mahirap yun.
Mechanical engineering group.
Oh,
Going finance po.
So para mga course yun, no? Nagkokopyahan pa.
may mentorship.
I'm just amazed kasi for those who didn't know, for those watching at home, especially for the people in the Philippines, etong UDST and Qatar University na league is actually synonymous to UAAP or NCAA sa Pilipinas. Okay. Granted, one day you go back to the Philippines and you're still on your college days. Do you want to venture any of those universities sa Pinas? Magta-tryout ba kayo doon?
For sure.
For sure.
For sure po,
And
for
what
sure
are
po.
what are the
Naman.
universities that you look up to? Sige.
Ako po, of course, the University of the Philippines.
UP.
UP.
UP Maroons. How about you?
Ako po,
John.
UST po.
UST. Oh, Tigers.
Tigers.
Okay.
Ako po, Lasal.
Lasal.
Magkakaiba.
Ani mo?
Ikaw,
Ani
bahin mo sa'yo.
Ateneo Blue Eagle.
Kompleto.
Yung apat.
Oo, kompleto,
Top
no?
four.
Gusto ko to.
May top four na
Kinuha nila
university.
yung Final Four eh.
May representation sila.
All right. By the way, the other schools participating for this league would be Georgetown University, Qatar University, University of Doha for Science and Technology. That's the UDST, tama?
Yes.
Hamad bin Khalifa, and of course, Texas A&M University at Qatar. So you have 5 schools.
Yes.
Out of these 5 schools, kayo lang yung may Pilipino? Or meron pa sa iba?
Parang kami lang.
Kami
Kayo
lang.
lang. Wow. Very good, no? Parang it's your pride to be part of this prestigious league. Kasi not everyone is given a chance to be part of this competition. Diba? Ano pagkaramdam nyo bilang Pilipino na I am here in Qatar overseas and right now playing for collegiate level. Tapos nandito ako ngayon sa isang tawag dito, overseas na bansa.
Sorry parang i-imagine ko sa kanila yung F4.
Oh, baby, baby! Dinidistract mo ako eh. Going back to my question. Sige. Let's start. Di na nila alam yun.
Hindi nila alam yun, sorry kids.
Okay. Sige. Ano ang pakiramdam sa inyo na you are representing the Filipino community? Somewhat, di ba? Sa liga na to. Okay.
Sa akin po, it's a good feeling. Lalo na po being a Filipino and internationally being known as basketball being one of the famous sports po sa Pinas. Kaya, iba, it's very...
Nakaka-proud.
Proud. Let's see. Okay, nice. Ikaw po.
For me po, yun nga, nakaka-proud and parang may mas maganda yung may parang may pagmamalaki yung parents sa'yo na parang parang my son is playing parang overseas and parang
nga,
gusto
no?
ko yun, ganun.
Ano? And then you get that pride every time you go back to your... have you ever gone to the Philippines, by the way?
Yeah. Recently lang po. Yun po yung nakukuha
So pag-uusapan nyo yun no, sa bahay, sa pamilya.
Yung mga tito, tita nila, no?
Sa akin po,
Mga titong laseng.
Sakto lang.
ayun din po. Sa akin, ganun din po. Nakaka-proud po. Siyempre, parang may pwede kang ikwento sa ibang tao na may narating ka sa basketball kahit pa paano. And knowing na yung league po namin ngayon, yung QCSF, it's growing bigger po talaga. Compared sa nung una po kami naglaro ni Pablo. Kami nila Charles po kasi si JC po kasi bago first year. Pero compared po nung una po kami naglaro sa QCSF, ibang-iba na po yung level ng QC. Yung liga po ngayon, iba
yung
na po level.
Yung competition po ngayon, iba na po.
Like, sineseryoso na po ng mga schools yung liga po. Kaya maganda na po talaga yung competition.
So talagang may mga training na puspusan.
Ako po nakaka-proud rin po talaga. Like, lalo na I get to showcase my talents. Pati po yung like, we can show na what Filipinos can do. Yeah, in terms of basketball. Kasi po, like, mga ibang lahi po yung mga ka-teams namin or mga kalaban. Pero
may konting intimidation yun, no?
Meron naman po, pero like, as a Filipino, kaya na naman po namin.
Bardagulan.
Mahabang eh.
Pero like, ano naman din.
Dahil tayo nila pula-po eh. Okay, kasi di ba they're bigger, they're stronger, di ba? Okay. But I have to commend one thing, by the way. These athletes, they were able to travel other countries to represent the university.
Yes.
Wow.
November 2024, Rome, Italy. January 2025, Muscat, Oman. In Guangzhou, China, May 2025. And
Next month.
Next month. Who will go there?
QU.
JC.
I see, nice.
Roommate ko po yung
Best of luck. Okay.
Kailan ba? Sa
In November 2025 sa Barcelona, Spain naman.
Inshallah.
Sinong pupunta doon?
Lahat po.
Lahat ko yung nice. Naku, yung mga magulang nito, lagot.
Ano ba yan? Sponsored ba yan ng school?
Apo.
Talagang perks talaga siya.
Nice. Okay, speaking of perks, tell me about it. So, apart from having to go to places, other countries, and being part of the scholarship that you have, completely ba wala kayong tuition? Wala talaga.
100%.
Okay.
Fully
What else do you guys get like on a yearly basis from the
QU.
school? Do you get allowances as well?
Meron po, monthly.
Wow! So wala ka ng tuition, binibigyan ka pa ng pera ng school. Amazing, no? Okay.
Ang kapalit naman nun yung time nila, diba?
Yeah. But okay, speaking of time, how often do you practice in a week? Regularly ba to? Or pag may liga lang? Regularly. So in a month, for example.
Couple times a week po usually. Pero pag may liga or tournament, mas frequent po. Minsan po everyday, gano'n.
Sa amin po sa UDST, 4 times a week po. Pero additional po kasi may mga liga po, may mga liga rin po kami sinasalihan, mga ligang labas din po.
Yung 4 times regular yun.
Opo, regular po yun.
Tapos sa QU, 2
Two
times.
times po, regular.
See. Kasi ngayon, kinakaya pa ng katawan yun. No?
Opo.
Hindi pa nila na mararamdaman yung yung bagay.
Yung sa sumasakit po.
Actually. Yun ang mga problema na yung mga 30 pataas.
Papuntang pan.
Pero I hope nobody gets injured sa inyo, especially at this stage. Kasi ito yung, I would say, this is the rookie days, kumbaga naman.
wala.
Ito yung mga sisimula pa lang kayo sa liga eh.
Going towards
Yes.
yan,
Have you ever dreamt of being part of PVA one day?
Siyempre po.
Talaga.
Opo, syempre po.
Okay, before we go to PVA, dito muna tayo sa Qatar. The GCC event. Diba? I've seen JC was part of it. Was there any chance that the other guys as well could join it maybe next time? Kasi I was talking to Coach Raymond last time, and then the other coaches of Team Broster. They won, diba? They won. And then I told them na they need to catch up with UAE because UAE has younger, fresher legs, diba? Yung mga bata pa eh. I think the only thing that mattered that time is yung maturity ng Team Qatar,
Yes.
which is really, it was evident during the fourth quarter. Dun lumabas eh. And then the youth of UAE was somehow exposed, kaya sila natalo. I think that was the only factor to begin with. Yun lang talaga eh.
Pero endurance and
Yeah, everything else, speed, endurance, fast break points, wala tayo talaga. Do you have plans to get involved in the process moving
represent,
forward
yeah.
to represent, Team Qatar probably? Or are there any restriction in terms of your agreement with the universities that you are currently studying?
Ako po moving forward, kung may opportunity
Yes.
po, syempre I'll go for it.
Okay. Nice.
Same
Okay.
din po. Kasi syempre ano po yun eh, parang a
Stepping stone.
stepping stone namin.
Okay. Kuya Boss Gio.
andyan yan nanonood yan sa baba.
Ito yung ating future. Okay.
Hindi,
And
kasi
it's
iba
also
yung
yeah.
iba yung exposure kapag
Yeah.
halimbawa nakapaglaro kayo dun sa mga veterano.
Yes,
Iba
yes.
yung matuturo nila sa inyo kaysa yung
Oo.
mga
Tama.
same age
Same
ninyo.
age.
Opo.
May
Tsaka
ibang
iba.
klaseng discipline eh.
Yeah. Iba yung binibigay sa inyong pressure once you face pro level.
Opo,
Right?
totoo.
Kasi mamaya, I would think right now with the current age bracket nyo na kalaro nyo, malamang 17, 18, 19, 20s din sila. Tama ba? Tama ba?
Totoo po.
So ito mga to, alam niyo na yung mga galawan yan eh. Diba? Pero once you are playing with matured players, yung mga nasa pro level na, iba din sila, right? Do you also play with them like once in a while? Sa labas ng liga nyo?
Opo.
Sa mga ibang
Nakakalaro rin
liga?
namin
Yung
po.
I
UDST
see.
po kasi kasama po kami sa Premier
Premier League.
Sa
Premier
PBAC.
League, I see.
Okay.
Yung
I see.
yun po yata yung highest league ng mga Filipino
Dito.
soccer.
I think JC is playing for that league, right?
Opo.
Ikaw lang ba? Or anybody else? Ikaw lang?
Ako lang po.
I see. How did you get to the program?
Sa Premier po.
Yes. Yeah.
Na-scout lang po rin ng mga coaches. Saka may mga iba rin pong kaibigan na naglalaro po sa team.
I see.
May
Okay.
nagsa-scout din pala sa kanila for that.
Nice. How were you approached?
Kay daddy po.
I see. Nilakad ni
Manager
Daddy. Nakaprinaso niya. Anyway, for those who didn't know, JC is also a professional basketball player for Qatar Sports Club basketball team. Yeah. Many times a day, twice a day ang mag-practice.
Twice?
QU sa tanghali, then QSC sa gabi. Grabe.
Batak.
Bola na po yung kinakain
Batak
ko.
na batak. Okay. Alright, that's why we have to make an exception for you for tonight. Alright? So you're bringing so much to the table. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan, okay? We'll take a quick break muna. And we'll get back to you guys watching right now. Thank you. This is live on QCast. Say where you are.
Yes.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
Experience the rich flavor and aroma of our healthy coffee blend. Our coffee is specifically crafted to enhance mental alertness while enticing your taste buds. The blend features Arabica and Robusta beans, combined with organic barley grass sourced from New Zealand. This newest flavor and unique blend provides a revitalizing and strengthening experience, giving you the energy you need to tackle your day with enthusiasm. Savor the flavor of JC Barley Coffee and make your mornings even better.
Next on Live on Cue. Meet Charles, Paul, John, JC, our UDST and Qatar University athlete scholars and our Pinoy basketball prodigies in Qatar. Saturday, April 19, 7 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Montasa, Doha. Only here on QCast.
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
8:35 in the evening is our time. Welcome back to Live on Cue.
And this is brought to you by Boss Gio Pares and JC Premier.
Yes, if you want some coffee, yes, you can try this out. It's JC Barley Coffee,
And we have
mocha
also
flavor.
kind chick tint.
Yes,
or paint.
okay, check it out. We have a reseller. You can check out the counter, I guess. Mamaya dito sa Boss Gio, or you can also visit Maharlika Park Restaurant for your JC products. Now let's go back to our special guests for tonight. Charles, Paul, John, and JC, thank you so much for being here. It's such a pride and honor to finally have you here on QCast. And maraming salamat sa mga parents nyo for bringing you here. Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for trusting our platform to give highlight to ating
Dapat naman i-highlight
yes.
mga batang.
Yeah, correct. Nahirapan ako Tagalog and at the same time English eh. Okay. Anyway, let's go back to your humble beginnings, diba? Punta tayo dun sa mga how did you guys started playing basketball perhaps. There could be some sort of inspiration why you got into this kind of sport growing up. All you grew up here or ang iba sa Pilipinas?
Sa Pilipinas.
Sa Pilipinas talaga. And then you were taken here by your parents. Against your will or joke lang. So you were young when you started playing basketball. Sige, si JC, anong taong ka nun?
Mga 7 po siguro.
7 years
Actually,
old. I see.
Dito na po ako nag-start maglaro
I
mag-basketball.
see. Okay.
Pero nung dumating po ako dito, hindi po talaga ako into sports, into
Ano talaga?
video games.
Akala ko dama. Video game. What's the usual thing for kids nowadays?
Dinala po ako ni Daddy sa isang camp,
I
Junior
see.
Falcons.
Okay. Sir Pat Carido. No.
Tapos yun po, doon na po ako nag-start mag-build up.
I see. Nice. Pero syempre, di ba, at first, since di naman siya like a sport that you really like to do, meron ka bang hesitation that time? Siguro wala ka ng memory nun, no? Nagustuhan mo ba agad yung basketball?
Hindi po.
Hindi sa una.
Apo. Pero, yun po, frequent na po ako nag-train. Kaya yun po,
I see.
hiligan ko na po.
I see. Okay. All right. Let's have John. How about you?
Ako po, 6 po ata ako nagsimula.
I see.
Sa Pinas po. Ano lang po ako, recently lang po ako pumunta ng Qatar. Parang
Anong taon?
Grade 11, 2018.
I see.
Wow.
Okay. Nauna ka lang isang taon sa akin.
7 years na din. Oo.
Yeah. Okay.
Same po.
Sino yung inspiration mo nung unang bumitbit ka ng bola?
Sa akin po, si Mami po at saka si Daddy. Pero si Mami po, most of the time, every time na pumupunta po kami ng parang, yung tawag po kasi sa Cebu, Sun Sports po. Parang Sun Sport Club po. Doon po ako every time na naglalaro, nagpa-practice. Kasama ko po si Mami doon. So parang, si Mami rin nagpo-push sa akin na parang maglaro ka and parang supportive po siya.
I see. Nice.
Kaysa naman nasa bahay lang.
Kaya totoo po. Kaysa maglaro-laro sa labas,
Uy, very yan kasi yung ibang mga gusto nasa bahay. Yung mga anak nila.
Naka-iPad.
Actually, gusto ko rin magstay sa bahay kasi si mami talaga yung nag-ano sa
Pinapaalis siya sa
Pero it's a good thing that you were engaged in sport kasi right now, yung mga bata, parang ayaw na nila talaga lumabas ang bahay.
Tsaka magandang kasi 'di ba ngayon mga scholars sila.
Yes, that's the best thing about it.
Yes.
You get to enjoy the best of both worlds. Alam mo ba yung mga I would have to say, 'di ba, yung mga NBA players, they like what they do and they get paid for it. Millions of dollars, 'di ba? Imagine that. That's one of the perks. And in your case, I would say, since nasa universities kayo, nakakaroon pa kayo ng allowances, diba? Nakakapunta pa kayo, sino yun? Nakakapunta pa kayo sa ibang lugar, diba? So talagang masaya yung journey nyo dito sa Qatar. You're enjoying it so far naman, diba?
Apo.
Okay. How about si Paul?
Ako naman po, pinanganak na po ako sa Qatar. Tapos,
I see.
Ayun po. Ganun din po, 8 years old po. Nagsimula ako sa Junior Falcons Camp. Tapos, doon po ako nakita nung isang club po, yung Qatar Sports Club. Kasi po nung bata po kami, yung rule po nila, born in Qatar lang pwede maglaro sa club.
I see. Okay.
Opo. Kaya blessing po sa akin yun kasi bukod po sa training camp po na Junior Falcons and sa mga liga po namin. Ayan po, si JC tsaka Charles, lagi ko pong kasama yan. Sabay-sabay na po kami lumaki sa Junior Falcons. Hanggang sa under 21 na ganun. Tapos, ayun po, nagpatuloy na lang din po yung training ko nung bata po ako sa club. Tapos, ayun po, hanggang sa kuha na po ngayon.
May specific player ka ba na parang na-inspire ka? Or sino nag-push sa'yo na
Actually, wala po ko na-idolize. Pero yung pinaka nag-push po sa akin, papa ko po.
Okay. Player din ang dad mo? Basketball player. Parang iba yung gusto sabihin niya. Lagot ka sa dito.
Tito Raul, hindi po yun.
Hindi, naging player din naman po siya. Lahat naman po. Naging player po. Tapos,
si John talaga
Tapos, ayun po. Ngayon po, nagko-coach na po siya. Tapos, mostly siya na rin po nagturo sa akin ng mga Kumbaga, pagdating po sa parang sa utak sa basketball. Siya po yung pag nanonood po kami ng basketball. Yung mga small details po. Siya po nagpo-point out sa akin, mga strategies ganyan. Kaya natututo rin po ako sa kanya ng sobra.
So bonding nyo na rin yung
sobra.
Ang ganda ng bonding. Ikaw Charles?
Ako pa naman po, yung sa Philippines pa po, mga siguro 5 or 6 yun siguro. Doon po ako nag-start. Pero nung mga 2013, mga 10 years old po ako, doon kami pumunta dito sa Qatar. Doon po ako mas na-develop. Sa po kasi kami, sa Dukhan, which is like 1 hour away from Doha. Doon po ako nag-start na mag-train, ganon. Pero the thing is there, parang wala po masyadong opportunities, walang mga tournaments masyado. Kaya yun po I started going sa Doha, tapos yun po sa Junior Falcons, doon ko po sila nakilala, siguro mga 15 po ata kami.
I see.
Then from there.
From then nag-start na rin po kami.
This is live on
May napindot ako. No, I am about to ask the question kasi having to be in this league, di ba? Parang siya na yung pinakaunang step, di ba? To moving to pro, right?
Yes.
Na-envision niyo ba yung sarili niyo one day that you will be part of any professional league? Yung talagang tipong, let's say, paano ba? PBA level, mga ganun.
Olympics,
MPBL. Olympics, pwede rin. Right?
Si Pablo.
National team. Yeah. Gilas Pilipinas.
Ayun.
Diba?
Ako po, syempre, wala naman po masamang mangarap.
Yes.
Kapag may
Totoo.
opportunity, go lang. Para sa akin, just keep working hard. Tapos, kapag may opportunity, just grab it. And yun po, then we'll see what will happen.
And be grateful sa mga makukuha ninyong opportunities.
And of course, hard work.
Yes,
diba?
totoo.
Kasi di mo naman makukuha yan. I mean, some people are being blessed na binibigay sa kanilang opportunity, but not everyone will get it. Most of the time, you really have to work hard for it para makuha mo yung mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay. Okay. Speaking of pangarap, since right now you are doing school, Diba? May mga profession kayong gustong gawin, mechanical engineering, tama ba?
So,
Tama po, tama.
Finance and mechanical
Finance.
engineering, right? So, ibang-iba to sa mundong ginagalawan nyo sa ngayon na na-enjoy nyo. That's basketball. Okay? If given a chance, ito lang, hypothetical question lang. Nag-graduate na kayo, kunyari, you have a job offer for being a mechanical engineer or finance manager perhaps, and there's an opportunity to play for PBA. Anong kukunin nyo? Hala.
Tayo dun.
Sige.
Pwede both?
Let's see. I wanna hear. Hindi pa yan. Hindi kasi, di ba, that would eat a lot of time, especially sa practice. So you cannot do both at the same time. Ang alam ko, lahat ng mga professional players, they don't have regular job.
Sure.
Talaga nakafocus lang sa basketball. So given na yun yung options nyo, for example, one day, ano yung gagawin nyo? Anong pipiliin nyo?
Depende po siguro sa contract na ibibigay nila.
I see.
sa
Pag 6 digits,
talaga,
gano'n.
no?
Business po talaga.
Business talaga.
Na-outweigh po nung benefits yung cost. Hindi
I
go
see,
for
I
it.
see. Oh,
Pero pag
finance talaga to.
Technologies mo, bro.
Alam niyang sinasabi niya.
pag lugi
Okay.
kayo sa hindi
Yes.
na lang po kayo sa job. Mas stable
Yes.
pa. Tapos for makakapag-provide ka pa sa family
I
mo.
see.
Sure.
Good
Ako po
answer.
siguro iba pipiliin ko. Siguro po mas pipili. If ever po may offer ko, PBA, baka mag-PBA po ako.
I see.
Kasi po parang minsan lang po dumating yun eh.
Oo.
Kumbaga,
Okay.
nakapagtapos na po ako ng bachelor's degree. Andiyan na po yung diploma ko eh. Pero yung katawan ko po
PBA
na
player.
healthy ako, yung parang malakas pa ako.
Yes.
Yun po, hindi na makabalik yun yung oras
I
tsaka
see.
yung enjoyment.
Makes a good point. I think you have different perspectives, pero pareho naman valid eh.
Para naman valid.
Yeah,
Opo.
tama. How about you?
For me po, parang PBA rin po.
PBA,
Kasi
yeah.
one time, big time po yun.
One time, big time. Di ba usually, yung mga rookies, how much are they being offered right now? 150,000?
Wow.
Month? A month? A month. Okay. Malaki pa sahod ko. Charot.
Sahod reveal! Kaya masasabi talaga ni Charles,
Pag-grade
Hindi, joke. Baka mo niwala sila nanonood. Pero totoo yun. Charot. Okay. I didn't know. Okay, how about you, JC?
Pag-grade yun na lang.
Order na kayo.
Ako po siguro if freshly graduate po, I will take the PBA po.
PBA.
While taking a remote
Class.
remote
Okay.
work parang
Oo.
yung mga ganun po.
Kasi
Kasi
at the end of
marami
the
na
day,
naman
Yung
remote work.
yung mga work from home
Work
po.
from home.
Yes.
Virtual assistants, mga ganun.
Yes.
Oh, you were saying something?
Yun nga.
Yun na.
At saka pwede ka mag-business, diba?
Yes.
Since gamitin mo na yung name mo, ito yung product ko na
Correct.
Diba?
Pero ako, I would tell you this right now. Kasi there's been a lot of stories ng mga basketball players once they reach the final stage of their career. Diba? Yung iba, parang makikita nyo yung naging buhay nila. If they were not the top or prime players, hindi sila nabibigyan ng ganong kadaming, alam niyo na.
Gets po. Opo.
Diba? Mga perks and then yung salary. Kung ikaw is isa sa mga, I would say, mediocre players, yung tipong mga bench players lang, maybe you will not get the chance na maging magandang buhay after ng liga. Diba? Kasi napaka-importante pa rin yung diploma. Kasi that will take you miles and miles away from where you are right now. So, maganda yung idea na gusto niyo rin maglaro. Okay? But I would suggest tapusin niyo muna pag-aaral.
Alam niyo po, RJ,
Yeah,
actually po,
Yes.
maganda po yung point na sinabi niyo. Kasi po, yung sa amin po, dito po ako sa Qatar, habang nag-basketball po kami, in the same time, maganda po yung course na tinitake po namin.
Yes.
Kasi po, narinig ko lang po sa Pinas po kasi parang kapag varsity ka po doon, hindi ka pwede mag-take ng mga engineering
I
courses.
see.
Yes.
Kasi po, mahirap i-balance yung practices nila doon sa Pinas.
Tsaka may
Dahil ba
ano
sa
yan
course?
Hindi,
Po.
yung grade.
May-
Kailangan nila i-maintain.
Sa course itself.
Mahirap po kasi yung course, tapos mahirap pa yung training.
I see.
Kaya pinapashift po sila sa mas madaling course
I
para po
see.
maka-focus sa training.
So wala
Mas
palang
madali.
engineer na basketball player, ganun.
Alam ko meron, isa sa Hinebra.
Pero
I see.
pag health side ka siguro, parang wala pa.
Yeah.
Pag nasa
Pero
medical,
yun talaga yung kinagandaan. Kasi po,
see.
kami po, nakapag-basketball po kami, pero at the same time,
Na-pursue nyo yung
na-pursue yung course na gusto
Yung
po
course,
namin, na magbibigay po ng magandang future sa amin.
Yeah.
Kaya,
Kudos to
Maganda
Qatar
yung
for giving
options
you
niya. Sorry, Anna, sabi mo.
No, I was about to say, kudos sa Qatar government for allowing these kids to choose their preference in terms of course na hindi nila kailang maging hindrance dun sa basketball game.
Parang masyadong konti yung options nila.
Yes. At the same time, mapapractice mo talaga yung gusto mong gawin, di ba? After basketball.
Tsaka maganda yun kasi dalawang options yung pwede niyong tahakin.
Opo, yun dalawa po.
Yung parehas na gusto niyo, basketball, tsaka yung pagiging mechanical engineer or finance professionals.
Yes. I wanna say hi by the way to Pinky Gilles, Triple Heart. Wow. Sabi ni Flor Lynn Soro, masipag mag-aral yan si Boss John. Wow. Next naman. Sabi naman ni Yancy, baka engineer si John. Taas po ng grade ng scholar na yan. Sabi ni Jahe, Natalie Bautista. Okay. A lot of people are watching right now. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Baka yung mga iba dito nasa Pinas pa, no? What time is it right now? Easter Sunday na.
1 a.m. Magtutu
1 a.m. So, marami na namang nasa beach bukas. And then sick leave ng Monday.
Ba't mo sinabi? Malalaman ng HR
Bigo
nila.
ka lang yan. Okay. Let's go back to these kids. Okay. So, tingin nyo ba kung nasa... no, I don't want to ask this question. This is too sensitive. Wala. Ano ba yung tingin nyo dapat gawin ng isang estudyanteng tulad nyo habang nasa liga? Yeah.
Be responsible lang po siguro.
Yes. Be responsible.
Know your limits.
Okay.
Alam po dapat kung anong dapat gawin, ano dapat yung unahin.
Yes.
At yung susunod po doon.
I see.
Prioritize.
Sa akin po, be responsible rin po and dapat alam mo paano
Task. I see.
Time management po. Kasi mahirap pagsabay-sabay lahat. That magaling po talaga.
Okay.
Balance rin po lahat ng time nyo rin.
Does it ever get to a point in a time, in a week perhaps, that you also get tired? Parang, eto, pa-practice na naman. Ay, ganun ba kayong parang, Hindi. Kasi as a human being, you also get tired, di ba? Napapagod din. Now, my question is, we don't have to stay there, di ba? Di ka pwedeng mag-stop there, di ba? My question is, what keeps you moving forward? Di ba? Ano yung parang, okay, pagod pero sige, let's go, laban.
Siguro ano po?
Para yung sa Nescafe commercial, kanino ka bumabangon? Yeah.
Siguro po for the love of the game.
Love of the game.
Passion na rin po kasi parang lumaki na po kami na ito na ginagawa na minamahal na po namin yung paglalaro eh.
Okay.
Tsaka may pinaghahawakan ka po.
Yeah.
Opo.
May pinaghahawakan.
Kasi may grades kayo. Kailangan
Isa rin po.
At attendance kay coach, diba? Okay. Anything else?
Ayaw kay tanong.
Go!
Tayo pala naglagay
yung kasi sabi nila time management. So, pinahuhugas ba kayo? Pinahuhugas ba kayo ng mga plato sa bahay? May mga chores din ba kayo sa bahay?
All around po kami. All around.
All around.
Nice.
May chores
Hugas, luto, laba, ganyan. Okay.
Nice.
Bakit nakakapagod?
Nakapagod. Di ba kasi in a week, I would say, ilang beses kayo nagpa-practice for 1 week?
May 2 tsaka may 4.
2 to 4 times a week. And then for every session, ilang oras?
3 hours?
3 hours.
1 and a half po siguro minimum.
Kasi po,
na yung 1 and a half.
Iba-iba po kami ng program.
3 hours.
Iba-iba kayo per university.
Siguro, kasi po kami po, bukod pa sa practice namin, may sarili rin, nag-gym po kami.
I see.
Feeling ko sila rin naman po. Meron.
Iba-ibang conditioning.
Kanya-kanya na po yun.
Kanya-kanya po.
May mga conditioning coaches kayo.
Kailangan yun eh.
Nice. Ano mo, napaka-privilege yun dito kayo sa bansang to, no? I mean, not to compare about the other countries, especially bansa natin.
Pero maganda yung program.
Pero, the fact na nai-enjoy nyo yung lahat ng pribileheyo, diba? Privileges, and then yung facilities, diba? To improve as a basketball player, talagang sobrang blessed kayo. And at the same time, yung supportive na environment nyo, yung parents, siguro, yung mga kapamilya,
kayo,
classmates, you alone, diba? As the group of Filipino players, nag-uusap-usap din kayo madalas.
Opo naman.
Opo naman.
That's good. That's a good bonding.
Tropa rin naman.
Tsaka nagkakita-kitaan po kami. Like every Friday, pag may mga laro.
I see. So outside school, you are friends?
Opo na.
Nice.
Opo,
Good job. Kudos. Kudos sa mga tapakan naman.
Wait lang. Di ba meron kang effect ng palakpak?
Wala, di gumagana ngayon.
Sige, palakpak lang.
Okay. You know why I asked that question? Kasi, at least even though they are two different universities, they don't see themselves as opponents. Diba? They consider themselves as
Friends.
acquaintances. Diba? As friends as well. Ibig sabihin, wala kayong masamang tinapay. So whenever you see each other in a tournament, in a competition, ano ba yung environment? Pag nagkikita-kita kayo din?
Kapag
Oy, wag mo akong banggain ng sobra.
Hindi, pag
may pilay ako ngayon. Yeah, God.
Pag nasa loob po ng court,
court.
parang intense po
Game
kami.
mode.
Like, game mode
I
po
see.
kami.
Okay.
Pero pag nasa labas, tropa-tropahan.
That's nice. That's how you're supposed to be.
Pero minsan po pag nasa court po, kunwari napanis ako ni Charles, gano'n. parang pinag-uusapan. Ang katawanan po kami.
May GC ba kayo?
Hindi.
Kasi palpal kita kanina.
GC.
What else? Tell me. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung environment niya. Parang
kasi po,
on the court and off the court.
Sa court po, nakatao-tao usually or kakalapit.
In game mode po talaga pag nasa court. Pero with the respect po.
With respect.
Totoo.
Kahit na competitive po at intense po kami, talagang syempre, yung tropa.
Nice. I like that kind of spirit. Yung parang, kasi you don't see themselves as enemy. It's an opponent always. Pag opponent, you have some sort of level of respect. You have some boundaries, but you still have to give your
Tsaka
best.
professionalism.
Yes, correct. You
May
still
mga
have to go
times
head to head.
na naglaban na yung team ninyo.
Yeah, I guess.
As in yung UADSP and then...
Recent?
Basketball kasi.
Hindi, Chinese garter.
Opo, sa Oman, di ba?
I see.
Naglaro.
Naglaro kayo yung QU versus
Tsaka recently po.
Recently lang po.
Naglaro kami. Yung elimination round po.
So nagtalagang versus
Naglaban na po.
Every inter-university po talaga. Lagi po naglalaban yung
Nice.
Tsaka
You know
Sunday,
what?
sa Tuesday po, nood po kayo.
Oo.
Oo nga pala. Speaking of, because I don't have all the details, can you invite everybody? Maybe right now, sige. We still have time though. Sige, go ahead.
Oo.
Can ask them to watch the event
may
this
semis
coming
pa pala.
Tuesday.
Sa finals.
You lost track na, ha?
Finals agad tayo.
Ala kayo. Di mo na alam yung sinasabi niyo. Okay, go ahead. Sige.
Sa semis.
Yes.
semis.
Sino?
We're inviting you all po sa Monday, our semifinals against Qatar University versus Texas and UDST versus Georgetown.
Same day lang po yun.
Same day lang.
Same day.
Anong oras?
7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m.
I see. Okay,
Saan
7 p.m. and 8
UDST.
UDST multi-purpose hall.
Wow.
Doon
Oh,
yung
okay,
pinuntahan
okay.
natin
Yes.
last time.
yes.
Sa Monday po. Tapos kinabukasan po nun yung
Finals.
Yung final.
Tuesday.
I see.
Same time.
Same place, same time.
Alright. And this is like a knockout round or
Hindi na.
ito na yun?
Ito na po yun.
Ito na yun. Nice. Okay.
Yung 5 na team.
Yeah.
Matanong
no?
ko lang, ano yung mga position ninyo sa team ninyo? Sino yung mga forward, yung mga ganun? Ikaw, Charles.
Ano po ako, usually 1 or 2, so point guard or shooting guard.
I
ganun.
see.
Apo, same. Combo
Same.
guard. Point guard, shooting guard.
Shooting guard po talaga.
Shooting guard.
Shooting guard.
Point guard, shooting guard po.
So same halos
Halos same lang po kami, all guards po.
Pare-pareho ng height.
Ano yung average height nyo lahat? Yung height nyo?
5'8".
5'8", yun.
5'8". Okay, pero wala sight yan eh.
Apo.
Nasa ability talaga yan
It's all
eh.
in the heart.
Yeah. Nung panahon ko, charot. Kasi I used to play basketball as well. College days din. Kaso na-injury ako.
Dalawang
Left
injury,
foot.
no?
right hand, left foot. So, hindi na pwede maglaro.
Kaya talagang kailangan iingatan niyo yung mga katawan.
Injuries po talaga yung kalaban ng
Yes, that's true.
Pero
That's
maganda
why.
kasi sa kanila, may conditioning
Conditioning.
kayo.
And generation nowadays is so different from back then. Kasi before, wala pang mga rehabilitation process.
Yeah.
Kunting hilot-hilot, bayabas, lagyan. Ibabad mo sa ano.
So, mainit na tubig.
Ngayon, they're really protecting the players. Diba? They have conditioning coaches, meron silang mga...
Siguro
tawag
diet
doon?
din, no?
Diet. Yeah. At the same time, ano yung tawag doon? Parang PT, physical therapist, right? So they have so much that they can use para may balik sa dati yung kanilang ang tawag doon status ng katawan nila, unlike before. Okay. All right. Let me give way first sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Madami na to.
Madami.
Si Barge De Leon sabi niya, Lasal ka bro.
Shoutout po.
Siya ba yan? Sabi naman ni Kent Pablo. Oh, sino to? Kent Pablo.
Kapatid ko po.
Kapatid mo. Mark Anthony needs to be buff.
Si Mark Anthony Felix.
Alright. Sabi ni Daniel Tiano, Mark Anthony, sayang wala ka sa Qatar. Proud father, bro Raul Acabado. Yeah. Proud parents here from Bros. What else? Sabi naman ni Miguel Villamor, grabe idol. There's a lot here. Si Florine, grabe na yan si Boss John. Bossing John, sabi ni Donel Christopher Soro. What else? Mike Cabasco. Let's go, Boss John. Ayan. Ayan si Baka Engineer John. What else do we have here? Watching from the Philippines, si Ditash Giles. Wow. Sino to?
Tita ko po.
Tita mo. Sige. Babalikan ko na lang ito mamaya. Maraming salamat for spending time with us. I know it's kind of late. Nasa Pinas, di ba? Mga ano oras na ba? Sa most 2 a.m.
2 a.m. na.
Yeah. Thank you for taking time to watch our podcast today. And then, dito po sa Qatar, Sabado pa lang ng gabi. Tomorrow's gonna be our first day again back to work. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Ito, si Shaina Marie Igama, may idol Paul. Ayan. Okay, di ba? Lumalabas na siya ngayon sa screen ko.
Girlfriend ka po.
Teka muna. I was about to ask that question. I was about to ask that question. Kasi, ayun, sinigot mo na. I was about to ask kung pinapayagan kayong magka-GF. Kasi di ba may mga universal
pinapayagan.
So they don't meddle with your personal life.
Hindi naman po.
That's a good thing. Okay. Yeah. Kasi di ba may mga schools that they will not allow it? As far as I know.
Sa QU po, bawal po yung interaction between...
I see. Students. I see.
Cultural kasi.
Yeah, apart from cultural, kasi iniwasan na yung distraction.
Pero sa College of Nursing po, yung health industry, doon po mix. Doon lang po yung mix na pwede.
Co-ed, parang ganun. Okay. Ano tingin niyo yung gusto niyo pang maabot sa buhay? Apart from playing, I know right now, somehow you have a good life.
Or gusto nyo ma-experience pa.
Yeah, sige.
More travels.
More travels. More countries to go to, di ba? Ano yung napunta nyo? Oman, Italy, we'll be in Barcelona soon.
Pupunta pa ng
China. Ano pa?
Kami po, baka
Mag-Kuwait po kami.
Kuwait. For the GCC? No, iba.
Iba po ata.
GCC po ng mga university.
I see. Okay. So, parang ano siya, liga ng mga universidad.
Universidad na po.
I see. Nice. That's the first time I heard about it. Okay. Part ka ba nun, JC?
Hindi po.
Ay, sila lang.
Yung university lang po.
UDST po.
Pero sila po sa China po sila nun eh.
China po sila.
Kumbaga, habang sa China po sila, kami po sa
Kami po.
Kuwait.
I see. Nice. So, lahat kayo may pupuntahan. Okay.
Lahat sila may
Oh,
pagkabilisihan.
nice. How do you spend your vacation, by the way? Imagine ko lang.
Kung may vacation.
May vacation ba kayo?
Meron naman po.
Meron.
Ano yung
sem break.
ano yung sem break dito sa Qatar? I'm not aware, sorry. Can you tell me?
Sa UDST po kasi tri-sem kami.
Aha.
So, may fall, winter, spring. Tapos after po ng spring sem, meron po kami parang
2 months.
2 months vacation. Yun po yung ginagamit namin
Practice.
para
Kami dalawa.
umuwi po ng Pinas,
see.
magpahinga.
Naglalaro pa rin kayo dun for sure, di ba? Kasi
Opo.
once a baller is always a baller.
Kailangan ng
Mag-hooper ka
katawan
talaga
nila.
Sa
eh.
QU.
Okay.
Kuya
Sige,
po,
go
ano lang po, 2 sem lang po, fall
I
at
see.
spring. So, mas mahaba po yung mga
I
vacation
see.
namin. Usually mga 2 months. So, pag 2 months po, pwede po kami umuwi ng Pinas o mag-travel, ganun. Kaya mas maayos po yung ganun.
I see. Okay. I hope to see you guys together in one team, probably represent Qatar perhaps. Sana sa GCC event though. I think you can be a good addition sa ating team. Let's see what...
Lalakas ang sigaw ko nun sa gilid. Galingan niyo!
But let's see what we can do because alam ko for the 8 OFW GCC
next year,
they will be pooling new sets of players perhaps kasi yung iba pa-retire na. So hopefully maging part kayo nun. Okay.
Baka naman.
Yeah. We'll see. Okay. Tanungin natin yung mga bumubuo ng grupong yun. Okay. Alright. Anyway, other questions, Chi? You have other?
Ito, yung pinaka-last question ko. What advice would you give to younger students who want to follow in your footsteps? Kasi diba parang naging pioneer na kayo nitong scholarship, tsaka ano yung gusto nyong i-advise sa kanila?
Advice ko po, just keep working hard in both basketball and your studies. And then, yun po, hopefully, kung gusto na rin po nilang like to follow our footsteps, ganun, sana may mabigyan po sila ng opportunity. Pero before that, dapat rin po ready sila. So, kailangan rin po sila mag-pursige with basketball and studies.
Dapat sa kanila manggaling.
Tapos sa kanila manggaling.
Yeah.
Siguro sa akin po advice ko parang ito po yung lagi sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Gab po sa coach ko po. Sabi niya po sa akin na lagi maging ready kasi hindi mo alam kailan darating yung opportunity. Kumbaga po parang sa amin po sa UDST. Hindi naman po parang planado yung full scholarship. Biglaan lang din po kami sinabihan na magsisimula tayo ng full scholarship program.
Nice.
And thankfully kami po ni Pablo, ready po kami to grab that opportunity and we were given the chance and pinakita naman po namin na
deserving niyo.
Kaya advice ko lang po sa mga bata, maging ready po sila palagi, physically, mentally. Kasi hindi po nila alam kung anong pwedeng dumating. Pwedeng bukas magka-offer sila sa ibang university. Who knows?
Ganda.
Especially here, 'di ba, yung mga dito sa Qatar na mga bata. I'm sure nakikita niyo mga potential din, 'di ba? Diba? Mga bata na parang, uy, pwede itong maglaro one day, 'di ba? Tapos yung may mga height na sila, pwede na. May mga mix na yata dito, 'di ba? Mga Filipino mix na rin, na breed, 'di ba? Hindi lang purong Filipino or ibang lahi. Yeah. So I think one day you could serve as an inspiration for them. Diba? Na tahakin yung same path na pinuntahan nyo and being exposed in an international environment na competitive at the same time. Hopefully, mas maging malawak yung mapuntahan yung mga liga and to see you guys in one team probably, hopefully. Sana. Kasi you will be the future of the basketball field or environment ng mga Pilipino dito sa Qatar. Wala pa naman kasing iba eh. You were the first, I would say. Tama ba? Kayo yung mga sa scholarship program ng mga schools. Okay? So, hopefully, we could inspire others na maging part din ito. Probably yung mga parents sila, if they're watching right now, sa mga parents pong nanonood right now, if you somehow see that your kid has a potential, okay, you can reach out to these youngsters natin. Probably they could guide you kung paano kayo napunta dito sa scholarship program na to. And who knows, one day, they could also enjoy the perks of going overseas and then doing what they love, which is basketball. But again, there's also certain restrictions. Dapat i-maintain nila yung grade nila. Diba? So I commend you for that, by the way. Kasi mahirap yun eh. Honestly, mahirap yun. Yung ibabalansin mo yung sports and then yung grades. Diba? Minsan eto na ka na, tapos yung grades mo mapapababa. Or minsan naman sobrang focus ka sa academic, tapos di ka nakakapag-practice.
Lalo po kasi kaming tatlo po kasi graduating po kami.
I see.
So, yung mga subjects po namin, pahirap na. Mga major na.
Isa pa yun.
Tapos kasabay, kami po, may exam po kami. Exam week po namin sa UDST. Tapos kasabay pa nung liga ng UCSS.
So, huwag na muna mag-jowa.
Sabi niya, time management.
Multitasking.
Kasama na po yun.
Alright. Nice.
Inspiration yun sa kanila. Continue dyan. Ano yung advice mo?
Advice ko lang po sa mga kabataan ngayon po. Sometimes po talaga yung basketball may ups and downs.
Yes.
So, kapag hindi po kayo makuha, parang sana makuha naman kayo. Pag hindi po, just in case, wag nyong itigil yung journey nyo. Parang hindi yun end ng road.
Yes.
Kung parang tuloy lang kayo, magsipag
Tuloy lang.
lang kayo, and makukuha nyo rin yan.
Yeah. Speaking of which, sorry, before you answer that, eto, kayo, first time nyo rin nag-apply? Or was it the second, third time bago kayo napunta sa program? Sa scholarship?
First time.
First time lahat?
Po, opo.
You're all lucky.
Actually, sa UDST po kasi parang pinipili po nila yung bibigyan nila.
I
Kaya
see.
wala po.
So, handpick ng
Handpick,
school. I see.
Luckily
nice,
kami po
nice.
yung napili.
Good job. Okay, Charles.
Ay,
sige.
JC, any advice sa mga aspiring na or gusto maging scholar?
Para po sa akin, siguro have the patience and always do what makes you happy. Kasi po pag na-enjoy nyo po yung ginagawa nyo, mas mabilis po yung progress and development. And of course, let God be the center of everything that you do.
That's the best thing I've heard tonight. Diba? Ginagano ng Steph Curry yan eh. I was talking about Steph Curry since this morning.
Oo nga, laging siya yung example mo.
Okay. Hindi kasi 'di ba, in terms of hard work, 'di ba? I mean the consistency, the precision. Imagine mo 105 shots walang sablay. Okay. If he's not a human being, he's an alien, but it's not about it. It's because of hard work. Talagang consistency. Talagang pinag-practice
yung practice niya
yun,
talaga. Yung
araw-araw.
determination niya every day to do that. Diba? Ang sakit mo sa...
You can even make like 5 in a row.
Totoo.
Max 20 siguro kaya pa. Pero yung 105 parang...
Pero gaya nga ng sabi ni JC, baka happy kasi siya.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
diba,
I believe he is.
Pag happy ka, minsan hindi mo na feel na trabaho to, ganito to, diba? Parang sabi, parang part na siya ng buhay mo.
Enjoy yun.
Speaking of which, I wanna know this. Sino yung mga iniidolo yung basketball player sa NBA?
NBA?
Yes. Sige. PBA muna tapos
PBA,
NBA.
oh.
PBA muna.
Ako po kasi lumaki
Walang
po
gagayahan
ako...
ng sagot Okay, go, JC.
Ako po kasi lumaki po ako naging... Ano po kasi ako, San Miguel Beerman.
Okay. Brownlee.
Opo. Lumaki po akong... Hindi po naging idol ko guard. Naging idol ko po big man si Junior Fardo.
Si Fajardo.
Nice.
Then, as yun po, nag-progress, mas pinapanood ko po sina Alex Cabagnot.
Yes.
Lassiter, L.A. Tenorio, yun po. Jason Castro.
Jason Castro talaga the best para sa akin. I think he's the one who led the team back then sa Gilas. Okay. Isa sa mga key players kung bakit sila napunta sa World Cup that time.
Ganun
Okay. Sa NBA, ganun siya kagaling. Ganun siya kagaling. The Blur. Diba? I know my thing. sa NBA naman, sino yung iniidolo?
Sa NBA po, the GOAT, LeBron.
James. Grabe, no? 40 na, pero grabe pa rin. One of the best. Okay, how about you, John?
For me,
PBA.
sa PBA, si Albarrientos po.
Barrientos. Junior or senior?
Junior po, yung bago.
Yung
Yung bata.
Akala ko si Flying A. Okay.
Sa NBA, siguro si si Trae Young.
Trae Young,
or Stephen Curry po.
Atlanta Hawks.
Pero Trae Young po talaga.
Trae Young.
Ako po sa PBA si Scottie Thompson. Sa Ginebra.
Yes.
Tapos sa NBA po, si LeBron.
LeBron James. Mga makalibron to
Panalo mga Game 1.
Game 1. How about you?
Ako po sa PBA si Terence Romeo po.
Active pa ba siya? Hindi ko
Ako
siya
po,
nalaro.
medyo na-injury po kasi
Na-injury siya, no?
Anong team niya?
Before he played for Ginebra din.
San Miguel.
Global Port.
Global Port. Yeah. Sa NBA.
Sa NBA, po ako si Kobe.
Kobe, of
Bryant.
course, Mamba mentality.
Si Black Mamba.
The Black Mamba. Well, everybody idolizes him for sure. Okay. Ako naman.
Ikaw, sino ba sa PBA?
Sa BBA, madami akong
Yung top 1.
Tama na, inisip ko pa. Gusto ko.
Jaworski.
Grabe.
Matanda na ba yun?
80s, 70s naman yun. Gusto ko yung laro niya before. Si Cyrus Baguio, gusto ko siya before. Nung prime niya, Cyrus Baguio. Magaling yun eh. Tapos sa big man naman.
Alaska.
For some reason, I like Kai Soto right now. Kasi feeling ko na-expose siya masyado sa international basketball.
Maganda po improvement niya.
Yeah. Ibang-iba na siya.
Niya.
Ibang-iba na siya yung debut niya sa PBA tapos
Yes.
punta sa international. Sobrang difference
Iba.
And I think he's one of the key players who would lift Gilas.
Totoo.
Sometime in the future, di ba? Okay.
Pero
Ayun,
naman
yun
nung
lang.
recently parang na-injure siya kaya hindi siya naka-play.
Nung last game nila dito, yung sa second Doha International. We were there actually, we covered the event. Nakausap ko si Team Co, na-interview ko siya, di ba? Nakausap ko si AG Edu. Yun yung mga perks namin as media people. So yun, masaya naman. Tapos sa NBA naman, of course, Steph. Kasi,
Mukhang bibig mo na yun eh.
Hindi. Not because of the shooting ability. Kasi para sa akin, average Joe siya eh.
Oo.
It's like a person that
Kasi
anyone...
yung height niya.
Yeah. Parang isipin mo as a normal person, parang kaya ko din gawin eh. Kasi yung height niya, maliit siya, di ba? Then most of the people hindi naman ganun katangkaran, di ba?
Then naalala ko, hindi siya na-draft nung...
Yeah, di pa siya na-draft, di ba? Maganda yung... Na-draft siya pero nasa later part. Hindi siya yung
Ilang
parang first,
beses
second
siya.
pick. Yeah. Tapos di siya napunta sa isang mga D1 schools. Doon siya sa mga, kumbaga sa atin, smaller universities. And right now, is one of the highest paid NBA players. Tapos yung jersey niya pa, di ba? One of the best, I would say, consumed or bought ng mga consumers. So yun. And of course, his faith sa taas. Parang gusto ko talaga.
God-centered.
Yes, God-centered
Gusto ko yung parang tulog na siya. Good night.
Good night. Nice. Iba-iba pala tayong team ngayon sa finals. Sa playoffs. Sa playoffs. Okay, alright. Okay, so right now, I'll give you the chance to say your shout-out sa ating mga tagapanood. Sige, you can start. Charles, come on na,
Shout out
Charles.
po sa family ko po sa Philippines na nanonood.
Yes.
And also to my siblings sa Duka na nanonood. Sila 30, sila JC, and yung friend nila si Kion. Sila po yung mga upcoming basketball players po sa Duka po.
I see.
Mga future.
How about you?
Una-una po, shoutout po sa family ko.
Yes.
Tapos sa girlfriend ko po si Shaina. Tapos po sa family ko po sa Pilipinas, Requilma, Nakabado, family. And yung mga tropa ko din po sa Pinas, sa Marikina, Suburbia. And mga tropa ko po sa UDST.
Okay.
Shoutout.
Yung pangalan ng girlfriend mo, parang kinay mo. Ano yun?
Shaina Marie Adriano Igana.
Buong-buo, kompleto.
Jan.
Ako po, shout out po sa parents ko po na nanonood ngayon. And especially po sa jowa ko. Shout out po, Jaya Natalia Bautista.
Full name.
And shout out po sa family niya and my two brothers na watching po ngayon. And that's all.
I see. Kabayo.
Ako po, shoutout po sa parents ko na nandito ngayon. And sa kapatid ko po na nasa bahay kay Sky and Drain. And sa mga kaibigan ko po dyan, yung mga nasa Pinas po. Family ko rin po sa Pinas. Shoutout po.
I see. Okay. One last message para sa mga magulang nyo for giving you an opportunity to play for the game of basketball at the same time for introducing you the game. Probably, di ba? Kasi sila yung pinakaunang tao, I'm pretty sure, at a young age, sila yung nakita na potential sa inyo na okay, pwede itong maglaro ng basketball. Ano yung mensahe nyo sa inyong mga magulang? Sige.
Walang iiyak ha.
Mommy, Daddy, thank you for always being supportive sa akin. Like in anything that I do, both basketball at sa school, and yun po, they made so many sacrifices for me.
Nice.
Especially like taga-Dukan po kami. Sobrang
layo.
layo. Like,
I see.
kapag may games po ako or may practice, like they would like drive
Drive
back and forth.
So, like, so yeah, very grateful and thank you for always being there for me.
Grabe. Paul.
Sa akin din po, thank you rin po sa parents ko, mama, papa. Thank you po sa palagi po pag-support sa akin through my highs and lows. And ayun po, sa mga sacrifices po na binigay niyo sa akin, financially, physically, mentally, emotionally, lahat po. Din po sa paghatid sundo. Kay papa po sa paghatid sundo sa akin sa mga practices. Siyempre, yun po yung parang nakaka-touch po sa akin kasi po
Pagod din sila,
opo.
diba?
Knowing pagod po sila sa work, mag-aano pa rin po sila ng effort para hatid sundo po kami. And ayun po, sa support po.
John?
For me po, thank you, Mama and Dada, for supporting True End po. And thank you pala sa mga work kahit sobrang late na nila, nanonood pa rin sila sa akin. Kahit wala na silang maabutan, pero andun na sila. Pero yun po, na-appreciate ko po yung parang pinapakita po nila sa akin, and thank you po sa support.
And of course, JC. Tingnan mo pa mo.
Eye-to-eye contact.
Nagtanggal ng salamin eh.
Nagtithank you po ako sa kanilang dalawa, kay Mami kay Daddy, for all the time and the sacrifices po na binibigay nila, na yung time po nila that mag-rest sila from work, nilalagay po nila para supportan ako sa mga trainings and practice. And kay Mami po sa mga masasarap na meals after pre-game and post-meals.
Sarap naman ang ano yun.
Actually, if it weren't for the both of them po, siguro wala ako sa kung nas na ako ngayon. Sila po yung nag-push sa akin po para mas mag-develop and mas train pa po.
Train pa. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Charles, Paul, John, and JC. We had a great time here on Live on Cue. And before we close the show, let me give way to some of the shout-outs that we have. Ezekiel Guites.
Yun.
Tropa namin, tropa.
Proud of my guys, sabi ni Mark Anthony Ruiz. Bianca Rain says, proud of you, Kuya JC. Always here to support you. Caitlin Sky, #1 supporter of Kuya JC. Proud of you. Leonor Fabian, proud tita here. Paul Angelo Riquelman Acabado. Okay. God bless. Great blessing for you. Lyra Riquelman Acabado. Proud of my son Paul for having good grades as mechanical engineering student. And a varsity. Idol ka, inspiration ka sa mga kabataan. There's a lot more here. I hope you could go back to the comment section. Sagutin nyo sila, extend your thanks, and then, of course, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you rin po.
Sa mga magulang po na dito ngayon, sa Boss Gio Pares, thank you so much for bringing your kids here. It's such an honor for us to finally meet the youngsters, the young generation, diba?
Nakaka-inspire yung ano nila.
Yes, and hopefully maging mas malawak pa yung mapuntahan yung mga liga.
Hopefully po.
More opportunities to come.
Dadating yan sa sipag at tiyaga, sabi nga.
The right time.
Okay, anybody
Tsaka
else?
dasal. Importante
yes, dasal.
Siyempre. Yun lang. Sa mga nanonood, sa mga youngsters and even sa parents, gawin natin silang inspiration. Kasi malay nyo, diba, maging scholar yung mga anak ninyo. And they will be able to play the game that they love. Whatever it is. Maybe basketball, maybe may other scholarships pa sa ibang sports. You can always ask them how, or you can go or approach the school itself. And thank you so much sa ating mga sponsors,
yes.
JC Premier, and also to Boss Gio for allowing us to do the podcast here in Boss Gio Pares. And thank you so much. Shout out ko lang sina Sir Sky, si Sir Alan, si Boss Gio, si Sir Romel, Ma'am Ting, sino pa ba? Toki Family, Trixie. I love you guys, yun lang.
Alright.
And Mama and Dad na nasa Philippines, abangan nyo kung dyan ako sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Maraming salamat po sa Boss Gio Pares for giving us a venue tonight, and of course, JC Barley. Yan. Huwag niyo kakalimutan. Yes. JC.
May libre po ba?
May libre para kay JC pa. Ganun.
Tignan natin na mamaya. Offline.
Boss Gio daw. Boss Gio.
Alright. Kuya Jovan, thank you so much for the venue. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Charles, Paul, John, JC, to the parents. This has been Francis together with
Kristen Chi.
See you again next time here in Live on Cue. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you po.
This June 6, 2025. Join us for another exciting Philippine Independence Day celebration in Qatar. Singing contest, dance competition, awards and recognition, musical and cultural performances, motor show. Plus, hulaan nyo kung sinong TFC kapamilya artist ang bibisita sa atin dito sa Qatar. Save the date. June 6, 2025, Friday. Philippine Independence Day celebration in Qatar 2025. Brought to you by SGE Events.
Experience the rich flavor and aroma of our healthy coffee blend. Our coffee is specifically crafted to enhance mental alertness while enticing your taste buds. The blend features Arabica and Robusta beans, combined with organic barley grass sourced from New Zealand. This newest flavor and unique blend provides a revitalizing and strengthening experience, giving you the energy you need to tackle your day with enthusiasm. Savor the flavor of JC Barley Coffee and make your mornings even better.
Paano i-download ang Tinbo app? I-scan ang Tinbo QR code ng SGE Events. Pagkatapos ma-scan at mag-load ang page, i-click ang Install button. Pagkatapos ma-install ang app, i-open ito sa inyong phone. I-register ang mobile number mo dito sa Qatar at gumawa ng password. Pwedeng pumili kung via Google, Facebook, or mobile number para mag-proceed. Para sa demo na ito, pipiliin natin ang Continue with Google. Ituloy ang registration at i-fill out lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan, gaya ng pangalan, mobile number, email address at password. I-type ulit ang password. I-check ang box ng acknowledgement at i-click ang Proceed. Makakatanggap ka ng one-time password or OTP sa email na ginamit sa pag-register. I-check ang inbox or sa spam message section ng inyong email ang OTP. Paalala, may mga issues pa na hindi natatanggap ang OTP. Kung sakaling ang OTP ay hindi matanggap, i-report po ito sa Tinbo team. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!